Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by building the flavor foundation. Heat 2 tablespoon oil and add chopped onion, garlic, and green chili. Stir so the aromatics soften. This releases sugars and mellows bitterness. Once the onion is translucent, add 1 tsp each ground coriander and cumin to toast briefly. This blooms oil-soluble flavor compounds. Add 1/2 tsp turmeric and a pinch of salt to balance. Make sure the pan isn't too hot. Controlled heat prevents burnt spices and keeps layers of flavor developing. Once the aromatics and spices are fragrant, add chopped or pureed tomatoes to form the masala. The tomato acid brightens and helps meld spices. Simmer for 6-8 minutes until the masala thickens and oil separates. This indicates reduced rawness. Now fold in the drained, flaked tuna gently so it absorbs sauce without breaking into mush. If the mixture is too thick, add about 1/4 cup water to loosen. Simmer briefly so flavors marry and the tuna warms through without overcooking. You finish by brightening the dish. Stir in 1 tablespoon lemon juice and chopped cilantro to lift flavors and add freshness. Taste and adjust seasoning. A pinch of sugar can round excessive acidity, while a little extra salt sharpens the profile. If the masala seems dry, add 1-2 tablespoons hot water and simmer a minute. If bland, increment spices slightly rather than oversalting. One troubleshooting tip: if flavors taste flat, quick rest for 5 minutes off heat lets the tuna absorb sauce and improve.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.